Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire, your go-to source for all things automotive. Today, we're tackling a common engine trouble code, P015B, which indicates a delayed response in the oxygen sensor on bank 1, sensor 1. Don't worry, we'll guide you step by step to diagnose and fix it. Let's get started. The P015B code indicates that bank 1 sensor 1 of your oxygen sensors is experiencing a lean to rich delayed response issue. Lean means that there isn't enough fuel, while rich means that there's too much. Rough idling, decreased fuel economy, check engine light, exhaust odor, smoke, reduced power. Faulty oxygen sensor, faulty wiring, water intrusion in oxygen sensor connector, defective fuel injectors, contaminated fuel, saturated evaporative emission control system canister, exhaust leaks, vacuum leaks, all and/or coolant consumption, faulty PCM. To save more money on car expenses, purchase an engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. The fuel injectors are mounted in the intake manifold, so that they spray fuel directly at the intake valves. Inspect the leaking fuel injectors on the fuel rail. Carefully remove the fuel injector. Make sure the new injector has no seals. And never use the old seals over. When you change the fuel injectors, change them all as a set. Otherwise the engine will run unevenly. In order to prevent leaking, get some gasoline, put it in a cup, and then dip the new fuel injector into it. So the seals may get wet with gasoline, and it will go in and won't leak after all. Just slide all the new fuel injectors in. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder. Number 1 sensor. Number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. After replacing the sensor or fixing the wiring, clear the P015B code and take your car for a test drive. Monitor your scanner to ensure the code doesn't return. And there you have it, fixing the P015B code isn't as intimidating as it sounds. Just remember to check your sensor, wiring, and fuel system thoroughly. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to For Wheels Empire, and leave a comment with your questions or future video suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.